journey beyond our planet, we encounter a symphony of cosmic sounds. Space, by nature, is near perfect vacuum without air and traditional sound waves. But space is alive with electromagnetic waves spanning from radio waves to gamma rays. Celestial objects like stars and galaxies emit radio waves. Rapidly spinning neutron stars emit rhythmic pulses of radiations that astronomers convert into audible beats. While inaudible, the detection of gravitational waves from cosmic collisions provide us with a new way to listen to the universe. These cosmic sounds offer us a unique way to experience the wonders of space.